dear students, this is our part 6 of chapter 10, colorful design. What part of this sheet is colored blue? Okay, so we have to check over here. Designs are there, and in this square it's divided with the how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 parts. Okay, so 10 parts we have to write as a denominator. Now what fraction we have to write? Blue colored. How many blue colored? 1 only. So write it is a 1 upon 10. Clear? Now what part of the sheet is green? Now we have to write we have to write the fractions of the green colored. How many green colors? 1, 2 and 3. So here you have to write 3 by 10. Which color covers 0.2 of the sheet? 0.2. It means 2, and after the decimal point how many how many digit? 1. So this much 0 we have to write. So it is a 0.2 is 2 by 10. So which color is a 2? Check over here, yellow, 1 and 2. So you have to write yellow. Okay, these also, suppose you want to, here part is given, that's why we have to write as a fraction. But suppose this fraction 3 by 10. Okay, suppose here fraction 3 by 10, we have to write as a decimal. Then how we can write? Down you have to see 1 0 is there, so we have to keep our decimal point after one digit. So here 3 and then decimal point, so it is a 0.3. Clear? Now look at the second sheet. Each strip is divided into 10 equal boxes. See over here 10 strips are there. Okay, now again it is divided into 100 equal boxes. How 100? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 rows and 10 columns. So 10 tens are 100. Okay. So here total 100 boxes we have. Each box is a 1 upon 100 part of the sheet. Yes, it is a 1 upon 100 part of the sheets. Why? Because suppose I am talking regarding this particular box. So this is I have to write as a numerator. Total box I have to write as a denominator. So this is the 1 upon 100 part of the sheet. Clear? How many blue boxes are there? How many blue boxes? So see, in a one row 10 are there. So here how many blue boxes? 10 blue boxes. Clear? Okay. Is blue equal to 10 upon 100 of the sheet? Yes. Why? Because we are talking regarding the blue boxes. So here blue boxes is a 10. Okay. And total boxes is 100. So is a 10 upon 100. Okay. We saw that blue is also equal to 1/10 of the sheet. Yes, because if we saw the if we will check with the column wise, then it's only 1. Okay, same here, 1 from the 10th. So 1/10. Either you can say like this way, 10 upon 100, 0 0 we can cut. So 1/10. And we wrote it as a 0.1 of the sheet. Yes, we can write as a 0.1. Why? Because 1/10. Here we have the 1 0. So we have to keep the decimal point after the one digit. And this we have to start from the right side. So 1 and then 0. So here 0.1. Clear, student? Now we can say that 10 upon 100 equal to 1 upon 10 equal to 0.10 and equal to 0.1. We can say that all are equal. Yes. How? See, 10 upon 100 equal to 1 upon 10, equal to 0.10 and equal to 0.1. Okay, so 10 upon 100. If we cut into minimum, in fraction chapter we learn it, 0, 0 cut, then what is the remaining? 1 upon 10. So both are equivalent fraction. Okay, 10 upon 100. So here 10 upon 100 we have to write as a decimal. So how many 0 we have? 2. So we have to put our decimal point after the 2 digits. 1 and 2. Start from the right. 1, 2. Here decimal point and 0. So 0.10 and 1 upon 10. We have to keep the decimal point after 1 digit. So here 1.0. So all are equal? Yes, all are equal. Clear, student? Okay. Now think, can we write 10 paise is equal to 0.1 rupee? Can we write the 10 paise is equal to 0.1 rupee? So check, students, we are talking regarding the 10 paise. So 10 we have to write as a numerator, and in a 1 rupee, how many paises are there? Yes, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 10 rupee is equal to 10 paise is equal to 10 upon 100. Why we wrote over here 10? Because we are talking regarding the 10 paise. So these things we have to write as a numerator, and in a 1 rupee total 100 paise total we have to write as a denominator. Okay, now we have to cut 0, 0, 1 upon 10. It means as a decimal it is a 0.1. Clear, students? So we can write 10 paise is equal to 10 upon 100, 1 upon 10 and 0.1 rupee. Clear? Okay. So here we can write 10 paise is equal to 0.1 rupee. Yes, we can write. How? This way. Okay, student? Now, how many boxes are red and what part of sheet is this? So, how many boxes are red? So, here you have to check how many boxes are red. So, 1 full, it means 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay? So, 15 boxes are red. Already 15 is given. So, we are talking regarding the red boxes. So, here we have to write the numbers of the red boxes as a numerator, and denominator what we have to write? Yes, total boxes. So, total 100. Okay. So, this is 15 by 100. Clear, student? Okay. Can we also write it as a 0.15 of the sheet? Yes, 15 by 100. So here denominator 20. We have to put a decimal point. After the 2 digits, start from the right side, 1 and 2. Here we have to keep the point. So it is a 0.50. So you have to write yes. Okay. Remember, we wrote 99 paise as a 0.99 rupee. Yes, now easily you can write 99 paise. We are talking regarding the paise. How much? 99. Total paise 100. We have to write in a denominator. So this is the 99 paise. Okay. Now we have to write as a rupee. How many? 2. So here 1 and 2. 99, near point and 0. So this much rupee. Okay, so you can say like this way, students, 35 paise. Suppose question is that convert 35 paise into rupee. Okay, what is given? Convert 35 paise into rupee. Now we have to convert 35 paise into rupee. It means 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, so we have to convert 35 paise into rupee. So here paise we have to convert into rupee. So we have to write 100 paise. Paise we have to convert. So first write the paise. Paise is equal to 1 rupee. Now 35 paise is equal to how much? Okay, now cross multiplication, 35 divided by 100. Okay, here two zeros are there. So 5 and 3. After the two digit, put the decimal point and 0. So this is 0.35 rupee. In short, you have to write, we have to convert paise to rupee, we have to divide it by 100, and rupee to paise we have to multiply with the 100. Same question I am giving you. Convert 7 rupee into paise. So, rupee we have to convert into paise. So first we have to write the rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 7 rupees is equal to how many paise? Question mark. Multiply 7 multiply by 100. So 700 paise. Okay. Same one more question, students. Convert 83 paise into rupee. Okay, what we have to do? Convert 83 paise into rupee. So here paise is given, so first you have to write the paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So we have to find regarding the 83. So 83 paise is equal to how much? Cross multiplication, 83 divided by 100. Okay, here 20. So we have to keep the decimal point after two digits. Start from the right side, 3, 8 and point. So 0.83 rupee. Clear, student? Same way students. Suppose 10 centimeter, okay? 10 centimeter, convert 10 centimeter into millimeter. Okay, what we have to convert? Centimeter to millimeter. So first we have to write the centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? Yes, 10 millimeter. So we are talking regarding the 10 centimeter. We don't know, put the question mark. Okay, cross multiplication, 10 centimeter multiply by 10 millimeter divide by 1 centimeter. Okay, centimeter cut. 1 tens are 10, nothing is going to cut. 10 tens are 100 millimeter. Clear, student? So this way, if you want to convert kilometer, okay, convert 750 meter to kilometer. Okay, what we have to convert? 750 meter to kilometer. So here meter is given. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000. You have to learn all these scale. Okay, students. So here meter is there. So write first meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, so we have to find regarding the 750 meter is equal to how many kilometer? Question mark. Cross multiplication, 750 multiply by 1 divide by 1000. 0 0 we can cancel. Okay, what is the remaining? 75 upon 100. Now you know how to write as a decimal. 2 digit 5 and 7. Now put the decimal point. Take the help of 0. So these 0.75 kilometer. Clear, students? So this way you can convert milligram into gram, gram into kilogram, millimeter into centimeter, centimeter into meter, rupee into paise, paise into rupee. And these, students, you have to write in your notebook. So you have to take the screenshot and write, and either you have to see the video again and again. So better take the screenshot and write. And please, students, write more examples like these. Okay, so this way you have to write. Now here it is given. Now 3/10 of the sheets is black. Okay, 3/100th. Okay, 3/100th is black. See, 1, 2 and 3 total. We are talking regarding 3. So we have to write as a numerator, and total number of boxes is 100. So what's the portion of the black? 3 by 100. Okay, so here 3 by 100 of the seat is black. We can say it's a 0 point. Now we have to write as a decimal. So 3 by 100. We have to write as a decimal point. How many zeros? 2. But we have only one digit, 3. Now take the help of 0. Now we have the 2 digit. Put the decimal point and here. So it is a 0.03. Seat is black. Clear, student? What part of the seat is a white? Part is given, then you have to write, student, your answer as a fraction. Okay, so now they are asking regarding the white. How many white are there? So first whole line, it means 10. Then count 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Okay, so 22. What part of the second seat is white? So 22 parts. And total parts how many? 100. Clear? So these way, students, you have to write in your textbook and better write in your notebook. Make your design. Now you have to take your own design and then this is activity. Okay? Down is given, make the nice design by coloring 0.45 of these squares are red. 0.45. So we have to write as a fraction. How we can write? So first write the 45 as it is. After the decimal point, how many digit? 1 and 2. So down you have to write 100. So it means from the total 100 box, we have to color 45 red. So here any 45 you can do the red and make the nice design. Okay. Use the 4 colors. Each color should cover 0.05 of this square. 0.05. So what we have to do? We have to convert into fraction. So after the decimal point, how many digit? 1 and 2. So denominator is 100. And here it's a 5. So here it is a numerator 5 because we are not writing 0, 0. So you have to use the 4 colors. Okay. And each contain the 5 from the 100. 5 box of the color. If you like red, then red. 5 of yellow, 5 of blue, 5 of green, whatever. Any 4 color you have to take and make the 5 patterns. Patterns is depend on you. So this is your activity. Okay. So students write in your notebook nicely. Thank you.